Awang Nongpok State Singi Manungda Manipur si sana khonaba art amadi culture da miyam hena sakhang nabiri adubu laibak thibadi Manipur si HIV amadi AIDS ki hourakpham oina miyamna haujiksu unari adumakpu haujik lariba government NGO sing association amadi voluntary organization kyana kanna hotnarakpadagidi hairibu wakhalol adu ka hena hantharaklei masida natina lamdam asida ngaihak leitana drug lalonba Chabagi pau kaya matari masi amuktang eikhoi khudingmakna muthatpagum labadi Manipur asi ingna chikna leibangamba lamdam ama haibatu oibangamlagani haina Manipur gi Governor La Ganeshan haikhre wafam asi government of Manipur sindra World AIDS Day thoram equalize hairibati masida ahanba Manipur Rifles ki ground pangtokpa thormadu da haikibane ngasi gi thormadu da governor na makhata na haikibada hojikti National AIDS Control Program asi lamdam asida suning thijana paikhalei Nakona Nodal Agency oiduna paikaliva thabak thoram kaya asina lamdam asidagi drug chaba migi masing hanta hanba lamchat kamba chatpa hanta hanba ngamlagani haiki
Due to the relentless efforts made by the selfless NGOs with the help of the state government, I have great pleasure and satisfaction in making public the state AIDS policy of Manipur. I am informed that the state of Manipur was the first and only state in India to have a state AIDS policy as early as 1996. Now it is imperative to make modification and improvements in the policy statement so as to suit the changing circumstances and trend of the epidemic. I do hope that the experts and intellectuals in this field shall give their suggestions, and it will be of immense help to society in mitigating the menace of HIV and AIDS in this trouble-torn state. It is important to note that the statistics reveal that the magnitude of the problem in Manipur is not highly alarming at present, in the sense that the number of innocent infected pregnant housewives have been significantly diminishing. If newborn children are infected, the future of Manipur would not be as bright as it should be. I suggest that the small children should get utmost care and protection in this regard.
Manipur Rifles ground the pangtoki batharamadu the Chief Minister and Birenama the Health and Family Welfare AIDS FW IPR ke Minister Sapam Ranjan athoiba mithunglen oiki loinana Health and Family Welfare Department ki official sing NGOs ki mioi sing amadi tongan ma mahiru kya sarukya ki tharamadu ko mari leindana enberen hai matamama the drug asi fashion ki oina chatnaramba duna sakhang khraga HIV AIDS hairi balaina asi hengalakibani hairi balaina asi na aduna leiriba mioi lising kungani pan ki manungda 12 di ERT charaga layenge atayana ba sing di lot chalaga thambigano ngaya ki oina Khanba nataba serious oina loduna laina asi nare haiduna losan magi hotnariba do layong thoksi haike tungi mirol kanana bagi namak yum da chatuna HIV AIDS ki anaba laibra haina check toba horagani loina isagi kanaba kharagi damak drug lalon ba poppy plant thaba drug ki factory tawriba loina drug pizza bagi thabak si toksi haina so mahakna makha takhi laina asna nariba mioi singbu miyamna hanthana yengba tawdana baso apel tawrakhe
Highly by 18,000, 15,000 say, who are they? Karai the Kanano is there. Must identify Toukhre. Hasana have the other day, Yum Sang victims to save the future, to save our generation. Yum the Sang of the victim of the family. Adonai, Wapong Crazy Hajaraga. ELITETV celebration si lounariba celebration natin as kamiba observe those pagi concern pagi nasi mirol gi amadi tongi mirol gi concern roi na pikhaba stage da wele lo poche madu gini ana ko mayam punna NGO mayamai thagale kan honabiri kajuna honabio drug ki rehabilitation ki center sing mehman dadana sarkar ya ya bo yauna pangtung to budo to bigano with the systematic norms. One is the do's and don'ts. Bharat Sarkar ki leriba do's and don'ts. Sigi port mayam se phasana state government ki leriba do's and don'ts. Sinar kanda koi. Nasi ki miro la made tungi miro kanna ko hona minasi hajar gai mayam bolo sinjake.